The Bulls taking on the Thunder, and Russell Westbrook gets another triple-double. Paul George is going to get us started. He was on fire to get this game going. He had 24 points total, but they just couldn't stop him. He spins in the lane, throws it up. Then they're going to double team Adams for some reason. He fakes the defenders away with a pass, makes it splash. Nice double-digit cushion. And then Westbrook going to throw down a vicious slam. His triple-double stats, 13 points, 16 rebounds, 11 assists. Check out Grant with the ferocious left-handed flush. Who is he mad at? Why is he so angry as he threw that one down? Then Adams is going to get a dunk. It's a dunk fest. It's a huge 20-plus point lead. And the Bulls, it's been a very frustrating season. Westbrook's going to get into it with Chris Dunn. The good news is that nothing happens. Even though Robin Lopez is getting into the heat of this for no reason. He's a hot-headed player. He gets mad. He does that a lot. He easily gets mad, so he's going to get a technical foul. We take another look at it. Dunn was mad at that shove by Westbrook, but Westbrook couldn't believe that he got shoved because they were just fighting for position. So the game is going to continue, and unfortunately for Robin Lopez, he's still heated from this exchange, and he's going to get another technical foul. And it's silly too. After this shot attempt, he's going to put the ball down right in front of Grant. There's no reason to do that. So the refs are saying, why are you instigating? What are you doing? They throw him out the game. Thunder win. Ooh, got him leaning. It's gonna be a long night for De'Aaron Fox. Look at that reaction from the bench. They're going crazy. As soon as he started to stumble, they're jumping out of their seats. Ooh. I've got a